Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for advantage at school and don't get caught with plagiarism. First of all, make ChatGPT write your essay about World War II, for example. Write me an essay for World War II in 200 words. Now ChatGPT goes and writes you from 200 word essay. Now you can make this as specific as you like, can even add more dates. More events happened in this essay. You can make it as long as you like. Now once ChatGPT is done writing the essay that you want to be written down, select the whole essay, copy it and go to the plagiarism check. Now just paste it here and then you can see if it's made by human or that it's a plagiarism. Now it will scan it and from there you can already see that it's 20% plagiarism and 80% unique. Now we want this to be 100% unique, so we rephrase it in another tool. You go to select it once more, go to the paraphrasing tool from Quillboot. From there you can paraphrase it and there the Quillboot goes making a unique essay. Now you can copy this text and once again go to the plagiarism tool, open a new one and from here you can paste it, check it again, check for plagiarism and here it goes scanning it again once more for plagiarism. Now you can see that it's 100% unique now. This means that there is no plagiarism in the text. You can make this as big as you want, complex as you want. Just use these two tools to help ChatGPT write you an amazing essay. If this tutorial helped you out, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.